I still remember when his last procession, last rites were going on, almost around 25-30,000 people had come. And I always believe the number of people come for your last rites, that is what you have gained. My name is Rajat Rialj. I am elder brother of late Captain Sailesh Rialj. We come from hills where, being an officer in defense services and especially the army is a very big thing. So जब ये पास आउट हुआ 97 दिसंबर में, आई थिंक हमारे फैमिली के हम 15-20 लोग गए हुए थे पासिंग आउट परेड देहरादून में। तो फादर हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा खुश थे क्योंकि बहुत गर्व की बात थी कि हमारे ख़ानदान से एक डायरेक्ट ऑफिसर गया है। ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ ये कारगिल के थोड़े दिनों बाद हुआ था। ही वॉज इन EME, सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जब उन्हें EME मिली, क्योंकि EME इज़ नॉट ए कोर विच गोज़ टू फाइट। ही वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड कि अगर मैं आर्मी में जा रहा हूँ और फिर भी मैं देश के लिए नहीं लड़ रहा हूँ तो मैं उसका क्या फ़ायदा, मतलब। So he always used to get very frustrated कि why I am into EME and I can't go and fight. So when he finally this thing happened up, I think more than us he would have felt very happy that he is part of now that corps which basically did something for the country. Whenever someone joins defense from the family, the last thing what you expect him is that person laying down his life. 8 बजे we got a call from some senior person, was it a brigadier or major general, I don't know. एक ही सेंटेंस उन्होंने बोला, he fought very well but we lost the soldier. Looking back, all of his batchmates who are from 101, we keep getting calls, anyone who's crossing our area, come and visit, एक तरफ प्राउड फीलिंग है और एक तरफ लॉस फीलिंग है। नो प्राउड ज़्यादा है, लॉस ज़्यादा है, दैट इज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट, बट येस दीज आर बोथ थॉट्स। वी आर प्राउड ऑफ हिम व्हाट ही डिड। आई डोंट थिंक any 23-year-old kid can go fight and die for the nation. वो जज्बा अलग ही है, but because he was our brother, that loss and the vacuum which has been created, I don't think that is ever be possible to fill it up.